If you plan on having a garden this year or anytime soon and you happen to have some cats, they may be awfully cuddly, but when you compare them to your garden doesn't have a chance, because this, to a cat, looks like the world's largest litter box. And on really hot days, this nice, cool soil is super inviting for your cats to just lay on. And guess what that means? They just smothered your plants. Now you might be able to see some chicken wire that I've put around my garden. That is not for the cats, because a cat can easily jump over that. That is more for like armadillos and other small rodents, so they don't get in there and dig through the soil. To protect your garden, here is a raised bed example. It's not the prettiest, but it works. It's a bunch of chicken wire that I have stapled across, and I have wood there so I can move them really easily. But this right here will protect the raised bed and keep your cats out. Here's another example of using some PVC and some chicken wire. This is a small raised bed that I have some peppers growing. I want to keep my cats out, so I've just used some PVC and some zip ties to hold the wire to it. And I also have it hinged in the back. It's a little bit hard to see. Let me see if I can open it for you. Right there in the back, I just have some pipe hold downs. It's actually only using one screw in one side. That's good enough for this so that I can open and close it really quickly and easily. Here's another example of a cover that I'm using some furring strips that I made in a little cage. Use some more chicken wire, and it again can go over any small raised bed. Now if by chance you have some grow bags, I have some potatoes growing in these, and I just laid some chicken wire across the top, and that is enough to keep the cats from jumping inside. And in just case you're wondering, that center one was open, but I'm actually using this setup to cover over the center one since I had already built it in the past, so I'm not just wasting more wire. But as you can tell, the bags are strong enough to hold it up decently while it's bracing on the other two sides. So these grow bags are pretty sturdy. One more thought for you, if by chance you don't have chicken wire like I do here, you can always get that thin bird mesh netting and cover over it, and it should do about the same. But the benefit of the chicken wire, it's nice and strong and it's not likely to get ripped open if by chance a cat does try and jump inside.